Hey there, cleaning enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something truly exciting to share with you, a game changer in the world of cleaning technology. Say goodbye to the old, and say hello to the new Hoover ONEPWR Evolve Pet Elite Cordless Upright Vacuum Cleaner. Meet the Hoover ONEPWR Evolve Pet Elite Cordless Upright Vacuum Cleaner, the ultimate solution for hassle-free, effective cleaning. With its lightweight design and powerful performance, this vacuum cleaner is a game changer for busy households. Whether it's a plush carpet or a hard tile floor, the Hoover ONEPWR Evolve Pet Elite tackles them all with ease. Its multi-surface brush roll and impressive suction power ensure that every speck of dirt, debris, and pet hair is lifted away, leaving your floors immaculate. Pet owners, rejoice! The Hoover ONEPWR Evolve Pet Elite is specially designed to handle pet messes. Its Pet Turbo tool is a game changer, effortlessly lifting pet hair from furniture, upholstery, and even those hard-to-reach corners where fur accumulates. Say goodbye to the limitations of cords and outlets. The cordless design of the Hoover ONEPWR Evolve Pet Elite gives you the freedom to move around without restrictions. Clean from room to room, up and down the stairs, and even outside, the possibilities are endless. And let's talk about maintenance. The dirt cup is a breeze to empty, ensuring your vacuum is always ready for action. No more messy bags to deal with. And there you have it, folks, the Hoover ONEPWR Evolve Pet Elite Cordless Upright Vacuum Cleaner, your ticket to a cleaner and more convenient lifestyle. Say goodbye to the days of heavy, cumbersome vacuums and embrace the future of cleaning technology. If you're ready to take your cleaning game to the next level, make sure to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting product reviews and cleaning tips. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning!